Hello guys, today we are going to do another SQL question on HackerRank, average population of each element. So this problem introduces us with the concept of join. So it's a pretty basic question, but some of the important concepts are being discussed here. So the problem statement is that we have two tables, city and country. So, and there are multiple columns in each table like ID, name, country code, district, population, city, and many in like code, name, continent in country. And as you can see, the primary key or the main column that is used to distinguish this table country, the code is actually mentioned in the table city itself. So that is an important point that we need to consider. So problem is that we need to find the average population in each city. Like first we need to query all the names of the continent, and then we need to query the average city population of that continent. So let us start. So first what we need to do is we need to start by using a select query. Select um, so since there are multiple tables, so we need to and access using them, uh, using this format itself. Like if we need to access the column population from city, then it will be city dot population. And if we need to access the column coordinate, it will be country dot coordinate. So first we need to query the name of all the coordinates. So select country dot continent, country dot coordinate. Then what we need to do is we need to find the average city population, the respective average city population. So average city dot population, and it is also mentioned that we need to round it to nearest integer. So we can use the function floor. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to mention from where we need to access the uh, required data. So on that condition, from here we can use the join function. So there are different types of join, like inner join, left join, right join, etc. So what from these two tables we only need the data that is common to both of them. So the join that is used to take the common data is the inner join or just join itself. So city join country. So after we give the join clause, we need to give the condition on which the city and country are joined. That will be on. So as I have mentioned earlier, we can see that this country code, the primary key of this country code is mentioned in the table city itself. So we can join them if these two codes, we can get the data for on the condition if these two columns are same. On city dot country code equal to country dot code. So what the next thing that we need to do is we need to group the data. So if we just run the code now, it will be an error. Like there is a certain condition called group by. That means it is used to group the similar data for like a particular column like that. So group by um, so on what condition we are grouping, since we only need the coordinates, uh, so since we only need the coordinates and the respective average city population, so we can just group it by country dot continent. So if we run the query, and it is correct, so you can just submit it. Yes, and it is correct. So that's it. Thank you guys.